Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will be seeing diamond waffle crochet stitch. It's a wonderful stitch which gives you diamond shapes. Hello everyone, today we will be starting with diamond waffle stitch. It's a very simple stitch, diamond waffle crochet stitch. So as usual, starting with the slip knot. We will make a chain of chain crochet stitches, whatever length you want. At the end, just make it plus 3 chain crochet stitches. Now see, I have made a chain of chain crochet stitches, 30 chain crochet stitches, plus I will do at the end whatever number of stitches you are taking. At the end, just do 3 chain crochet stitches plus 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, now this loop on the needle, we have to skip this loop. Okay, I'll just show you in zoom. This loop on the needle, this one we are skipping it, and in the next also one next to it. In this we will start a simple single crochet stitch, one single crochet stitch in each single chain crochet stitch. Okay, so it's like these are simple single crochet stitches. We have to do this till the end of the row. Okay, see, I have made a single crochet in every chain crochet stitch. So by the end of the row, I will just make a chain crochet and turn my work. Okay, now starting from the first stitch itself, I'll be making double crochet stitches. One double crochet stitch in each single crochet stitch. Again, this I have to do till the end of the row. Okay, I will just do it till the end of the row and I'll show you. See, I have done see, first row was of chain crochet stitches. Take as long as you want. At the end, plus 3 chain crochet stitches. Then second row will be a single crochet stitch in every single stitch. And third row, it's going to be a double crochet stitch in every single stitch. And till the end of the row. Now I have reached to the end of the row. So chain 1. Okay. And I will just turn my work. Now comes a diamond waffle stitch. For diamond waffle stitch, what we will do, we have to go on a row of single crochet stitches. Can you see this? See, can you see the single crochet stitches? 1, 2, 3. So you have to skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And in this fourth stitch, so this fourth stitch, see, we have to work on these now. We have to skip 1, 2, 3, and in fourth stitch, fourth single crochet stitch, see this fourth stitch, we will take a triple crochet, treble crochet, triple crochet. Okay, so I'll just show you how to do it. First we will do a single crochet stitch. Okay, one single crochet stitch. After that, as I told you, we will be skipping 3 single crochet, down 3 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3. And in this fourth one, we will be taking a triple crochet stitch, 1, 2. If you have any confusion how to take a triple crochet stitch, single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, You can just refer, all links are given in my description. You can just refer my previous video. Those are the tutorial videos I have placed for all the stitches. Quite easy to understand. So in fourth row, a fourth single crochet stitch, 1 2 3 4, we take a treble crochet stitch. Okay, here goes a treble crochet stitch. Now we will skip this one stitch where one we have taken a single crochet. After that, the other stitch, next stitch we will skip, and from here we will make 3 single crochet stitches. 1 2 and 3. Okay, now in that same stitch where we have taken that treble crochet, okay, again we are going to take a treble crochet stitch or triple crochet stitch. 1 2. Okay, we'll just turn our work. We have to turn our work like this, and now we will take in that same stitch, we are taking, okay, 1 and 2. At the end we need these 2 loops on a needle. See, we are getting a V, okay, of a diamond down V. Now see, at the end we need these 2 loops on a needle. Okay, now again we will take a treble crochet, 1 2, and that we are taking, again we will skip 3. Here we have taken a V, okay, in the fourth single crochet stitch. Again we will skip 3 single crochet after that. Just so it's like till here we have taken, so we will skip 1 2 and 3, and in fourth I will be taking a treble crochet in this stitch. See, 1 2 and 3, and here I am taking a 1 2 and 3. Now see, again I will be taking a treble crochet, and I will turn my work upside down. Where half of the V was done. So it's like 1. See, whenever we are coming to this point where we get this V, down V. Can you see this? Down V. We need this 2 loops. Say 1 2. Then again I will skip 1. Here stitch is taken. So 1 2 3. In fourth one I will be taking 1. See, I'll skip 1 2 and 3, and in fourth one I'll be taking a treble crochet stitch. Two, and here I will close it. Okay, till here stitches are taken. I'll skip this one and I'll take 3 single crochet stitches from next. 3. Again 2. Turn your work upside down, and from the same stitch take another triple crochet. So it's like 1 two, and again I'll need 2 loops. Okay, see, whenever I'm coming to these downside V, I need 2 loops on my needle, and when I close this upside V, I have to close it. V's. See, same pattern I have to follow till end of the row, and I'll just show you. Now see, I've done with this V's. Now we have to close it. To make a diamond shape, we have to close it. So we will go further. Now I've done with the last stitch. I have completed till the end of the row. And now I'll just take a chain crochet stitch, one single chain crochet stitch, and I will turn my work, crochet work. Okay. Now another row, in another row, I'll be taking one double crochet stitch in each single stitch. That's it. Whole row I have to take only one double crochet stitch. See, in each single stitch I'm just taking a one double crochet stitch in each stitch. This I have to do till end of my work. See, I've done completed with the last stitch. I have made one double crochet in every single stitch. So I've done with the last stitch. Now I'll just take a chain crochet stitch and I will turn my work. Okay, now next we will complete this diamond shape. I'll show you how. Now see, I've turned my work. Now I'll be taking 3 single crochet, 1 right from first stitch, 2 and 3. Okay, after that in fourth stitch I'll be taking a triple crochet, which I will take around this joint. See, this V, can you see this? So this joint I am taking that triple crochet. Now I have to close this diamond shape, so I will need 2 loops on the needle. Okay, and again from here see, there goes my first diamond shape waffle. So this is my first diamond shape waffle stitch. Okay, I'll just show you. Can you see? Can you see? First diamond shape waffle stitch. Okay, after that I'll be taking 3 single crochet. From the next stitch I'll be taking 3 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and in fourth stitch I am taking a triple crochet again around the same joint over here. So now I'll be to make a to join it over here, I need 2 loops. Yeah, I'll close it. While joining the loop, I'll close it. See, this is how diamonds I'm getting. See these diamond waffle stitches. Okay, same pattern I have to follow till end of the row. I'll just complete it and I'll show you how the stitch looks like. Okay, and plus I will make 4-5 rows, 3-4-5 of these stitches, so like you will understand the design better. This is how our diamond waffle crochet stitch looks like. And just a reminder, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, comment, share. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.